You built the client solution. Don't spend the next 2 years rebuilding document infrastructure underneath it. 20+ years running document operations. We know this road. Because here's the do-it-yourself route: an OCR engine, a layout model for fields and tables, an LLM API to understand it, embeddings, and a vector database to make it searchable, storage, a database, a cache, a queue, then auth, webhooks, and monitoring with backups and audit. 12 moving parts. And after all of that, you still haven't built a document operations platform. Because every box is 4 problems: another contract, another bill, another module you maintain forever, another place your client's data lives. Multiply that by 12, and that's your next 2 years, spent on plumbing, not on your product. You're already stacking layers. We are the layer. So here's the same stack as a finished product. A document goes in, PaperOffice reads it, extracts every field, classifies it, and files it, with approval and audit built in. On top, your client runs a full DMS, search, ask, version history, worm storage, and everything is reachable over the API, over MCP, or by an agent. You just feed it documents. PaperOffice does the rest. Your client doesn't even need a dashboard. They just ask right inside the Claude app. Now, your side of it, you keep the client relationship. We run the document operations layer. Your client activates a plan, $500 a month. 200 of that is yours, 40% from day one. And as an elite partner, up to 70%, $350, recurring and passive on a system you never build and never maintain. And because your client gets a real system instead of a silo, they stay. Customer value and your share are the same thing, 40%. Every month, forever. So why not just build all of that yourselves? Here's why this holds. Inside that layer sits everything you'd otherwise babysit: the OCR, the models, the index, the whole infrastructure. We run it. You never touch it again. And it lives in one system. One source of truth, one answer, every time. Plus, the parts a hand-built stack never gets: a human in the loop and confidence gating. A bad value is caught before it ever reaches your client's books. Document security that screens every file for prompt injection, white text on a white background, instructions hidden in emojis, and automatic cross-referencing: the purchase order against the delivery note against the invoice. 3 documents, 1 truth. And when your client asks where their data lives, there's one clean answer: stored and processed in PaperOffice's own data center in the EU in Spain. No US cloud in the pipeline. Sovereign. And here's why it lasts. When a model gets better, a wrapper becomes worthless. This layer only gets stronger. It doesn't get eaten, it gets fed. None of this is a promise. It runs today. Starting is one API key. Copy it, that's the integration. Or hand the key and our docs to your coding agent. It wires the whole thing itself. Documents that are already digital go straight in. No OCR, no page charge. Indexed instantly. A supplier PDF in an unknown layout, template-free extraction. Fields, line items, the order reference with confidence on every value. And the part that lands it, your client opens the Claude app and talks to their own documents. Real tool calls, a real answer, no hallucination. Their DMS is agent native. So no, this is not another OCR API. It's the infrastructure behind a document product you sell, a document operations stack, sovereign deployment, audit-ready records. So stop wasting time on plumbing. You build what only you can build. We deliver everything beneath it and the DMS your client keeps. You stay on your product, we stay the layer underneath. And every client you bring keeps paying you month after month. So become a partner. 40% of every plan, recurring, up to 70 as an elite partner. The docs, the MCP setup, and the partner program are in the link.